package alloy wheels, dual climate control, heated seats, power sliding sunroof, push to start button, cruise control, leather seats, power seats, dynamic stability control, keyless remote entry. The greater your fuel efficiency, the less your carbon footprint. And with exceptional MPGs, this Audi A4 treads ever so lightly on Mother Earth. It's not a misprint. And the odometer isn't broken. This is a very low 71k mileage Audi A4, a rare find these days. Marked by excellent quality and features with unmistakable refined leather interior that added value and class to the Audi A4 Premium. Although this 2016 Audi A4 Premium is technically a pre-owned vehicle, the clean and spotless interior could fool even the toughest critic. Class-defining, one-of-a-kind options are the standard with this Audi A4 plus much more. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.